Hi, everyone. Hey, Elmo.
Hi, everyone.
Elmo, guess what? Let's tell everybody what it's doing outside here.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared.
Don't be scared. I promise you it's okay. It's raining so hard. It has rained all day here. Yeah. I wish that it would stop raining so we could go outside and play.
I know. Me too. It'll stop raining soon and we can go play.
We can, and we'll have fun.
And Emma doesn't like it when it is thunder and lightning and stuff.
I know. But it's okay because we're safe, we're inside, and we're going to stay dry. And we are going to, we're going to tell some stories, and that's going to get our mind off of everything and make us feel better, right?
Yeah. It'll make us feel better and I can hug you.
Yes, you can. I love you, Elmo.
I love you too, Miss Manny.
And I'm glad you're my friend, and I'm glad we have each other, right? So, yeah, and we always have books. We're about to read some books together.
Yeah. That always makes Emma feel better too.
And maybe, just maybe, it'll stop raining soon, and we can go play in the puddles.
Yeah. Emma brought his boots. Emma brought his boots this time.
Yeah, I brought my boots and my rain jacket, so we're going to have fun. Okay, bye, you guys. Tell them bye, Elmo.
Bye, everybody. See you next time.
Bye. Mwah, I love you, Elmo.